always do that? Just come and go.
Shut up, Mark. That's not funny.
Folks will be back for at least another hour. Come on. Maybe we can do it again.
Just stop it, Mark.
What's your problem?
I don't like this, all right?
Well, it seemed like you liked it, say, 2 minutes ago. You seem to have liked it all summer
Well,
long.
I don't. And you tried to kiss me. You tricked me.
Tricked you.
Yeah, and I'm not going to kiss a guy. It's wrong, Mark. I don't like this feeling right now. I can't do it anymore. I just can't.
You always say that.
This time I mean it. It's this pull. It's the devil, Mark. I want to live.
I love you.
I'm not a fag, Mark. I don't want to be a fag, okay? I hate this. I just hate it. That awful feeling after. It's wrong. I want to live my life for Jesus. I gotta go.
No, don't go.
Go with me.
Come on, TJ, I know you feel it too. You're just, I'm scared. I'm scared too. It's
We
scary.
have to love girls, Mark. We can't love each other. We can't kiss. We just can't love. Not like that. It's wrong.
How can love be wrong?
Because God says it is. That kind is wrong. It says so in the Bible.
Well, then I think that God's wrong.
Shut up.
Because
Just
I know
shut
how
up.
I
It's
feel,
Satan.
and
It's
I
the
know I
demon.
can't help
He's
it.
making us
I
have
love
these
you.
feelings. It's
No,
over.
TJ,
That stuff.
please
Stay
don't.
away from me.